is Billy. Hey there, Billy. Why so glum? Is it because you're having some trouble opening your locker? Well, don't you fret. We can open it together. Not so fast. First, you'll need your class schedule. Do you have that? Great. Now find where it shows your locker number and your combination at the top. There it is. Now if you follow these easy steps, you should only need the first two numbers of your combination to get your locker open. Let's give it a try. First, turn the lock a few full rotations clockwise to clear it. If you ever make a mistake, you'll always want to start over with a few full rotations to the right. Once you've done that, you'll want to eventually slow down and land on the first number of your combination. Now, turn the lock in the other direction, but this time go past the number once, then the next time around, you'll stop on the second number of your combination. To open it, turn it back the other way until it cranks, and you've got it. As you can tell, Billy, having a locker sure can be neat, but there are a few guidelines we're going to follow this year to keep everyone happy, healthy, and safe at school. First, only go to your locker when you really need to. You'll still be able to take your backpack to class this year, so try and carry as many of your materials with you as you can to eliminate those unnecessary trips to your locker. However, there may come a time when you do need to go to your locker, like to drop off items before PE or a music class. When you do, be sure to be aware of your surroundings. If any other students happen to be close at hand using their lockers, stand back and give them at least 3 feet of space. You wouldn't want to be a nosy neighbor. Once the coast is clear, you can hop on in there and take care of business. But remember, there may be others waiting for you, so don't you dilly-dally. Grab what you need, pack up the rest, and then hightail it to your next class. See, Billy? Opening up and using your locker can be easy and convenient as long as you follow these simple steps. If you use good techniques and keep your wits about you, a wise young scholar like yourself can, in time, become a real locker virtuoso.